Okay, so the company name is Anvi IT Solution Limited. It's located in Noida, Sector 63, A block. Company background is socially for digital marketing and IT sector. We work for educational sector, healthcare sector, and different other sectors also. We solely did the 360-degree digital marketing. Okay.
And what are you using for tools to other web for company to where the client want?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you please pardon it again?
Ma'am, which tool you using for company tools like
Company
Adobe?
tools we okay. Company tools we are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for there are many different tools. Our company use more than 5 to 6 tools because every sector has one different tool that they use. Whole company use a Google Workspace for emailing within the organization with the clients, with the different channels, for announcements, for any sort of email we have to do, any sort of announcement, any sort of letter we have to send to employees. That's Google Workspace for us. For digital team use Discord for communicating within themselves. For IT team have very other different tools and softwares that they use to create their OTT platforms and to run their platforms and survey to the different channels. So it's and for the HR, mainly for the HR, we use payroll software and SMS or EMR software for the Team Nest, where we can manage their task, day to day task, different tasks, to see what is the backlog, how they are working, what employee have to do, and what is going to be our next planning.
Thank you, ma'am. My colleague Piyush to asking the question.
Hello. If Piyush is not available, can I ask second question?
Yeah, definitely, sure.
Okay. So am I visible?
Hmm?
Yes, you're visible.
कोई
So,
बात
ma'am,
नहीं,
communication. So,
मैं बोल
I
देता
am talking about communication.
ठीक, मैं बोल
Communication
देता
is
हूँ.
important in every company. So, my second question is like, what methods are used to evaluate the effectiveness of internal and external communication efforts? Like,
What
employees are,
methods,
yes, yes,
what method in the sense you're asking within the organization, or
within the
within
organization.
organizing 101 session on Mondays or on Fridays with the managers and with the team members? So, see, simple thing about managing an organization being is and internal management or higher management is clear, then that's the one thing that I need to make sure. Solely depends on ki how we are using that way, how we are conveying that message to. If it's in an email way, then it has to be to every single person in the team, every single person in the organization also. If it depends on if I want to convey one message to a digital team, then I need to know if the managers and if the higher management team is a part of that message or not.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So Piyush will ask the next question. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, no, our Piyush mic is not working. I behalf the Piyush question. My question is,
Okay.
what formal channel are used to communicate information internally across different levels of organization?
mm, every organization, every company use n number of channel. Okay, there are many number of channels in the market and in the n number of software that market uses. We use formal channels like email, for or official WhatsApps, or team groups, internal meetings, HR announcement. My most important channel is email, and the other is per payroll that we use for the management. If there is any urgent announcement that I need to make, I just have to go there and I just have to post that announcement so that every team member can see it. If it's a prior information, my first main channel is email.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible, Piyush.
Yes, ma'am. My second question would be, how does the organization ensure accuracy, clarity, and consistency in internal communications?
See, all those factors are very important. The three factors you mentioned, like accuracy, clarity, and consistency. Important messages are drafted, has to be drafted carefully, reviewed by HR and the higher management or the managers, so that there is no drift between them and all other channels are maintained together. And then it has to be shared in a standard format that is informed by a formal or a professional way, so that everybody can receive the same message, and there is no communication gap between employee and the HR and the higher management.
Thank you, ma'am. My second question is, what mechanisms are in place to facilitate two-way communication and employee feedback?
Employees can share their feedbacks through team meetings, survey, suggestion boxes. We don't use suggestion box in our company, but it is one of the factor that many of the company also use. We use HR interactions 101 sessions that I mentioned previously about that. I usually take 101 sessions on Monday and Fridays, so that I can know that whatever is going in the company from Monday to Friday, like in the starting of the week and by the end of the week, and what we need to focus on the next week. So that's the decision we do with the managers or the employee, to ensure the communication is not just one way but within the company also.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my third question is, who are the organization keys, external stakeholders, and what communication channels are used to engage them?
Stakeholders are many people, including clients, vendors, purchasers, partners, investors. If you are in a service industry, then mainly it's going to be client and your partners, your investors, and your journal public, who is going to take your service, who is going to receive your service from you, who is paying you for their services. We communicate with them, we understand how they are doing and how we are providing them services. Okay, mostly it's going to be through, we communicate with them through emails, meetings, social media. Our company is in digital marketing, so social media can be a main factor too for us. Website calls, presentations, virtual meeting or physical meetings too.
And we and also you share Google Form to their feedbacks to.
Yes, obviously. Google Form is very main, but feedback can be face to face too, like of online meetings. If they are not okay with online meetings, then physical meetings too. Google Form is just a very basic, very single and very particular way. Like मैंने आपको कुछ बोल दिया, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन दे दिया, वहाँ पे 7-8 options हैं. But if the client wants to say something other than those 7-8 questions, and other than 7-8 options, then that's a very limited part. We can take survey feedbacks, we can do surveys, we can visit them, we can have a monthly meeting or a weekly meeting with our clients, so that we get to know what they are thinking, what they want next, what we are doing and what we are not doing. Okay, so mostly in companies we prefer online meetings or maybe a face to face meeting with our criteria, with our presentation, so that we can know where we are lacking, right, where we want to improve and where they want us to be improved, right. Google Form is mostly for colleges or for students, right, because we want a particular option, we have given them a particular option, right. But in when we are providing someone services and when they are paying us for it, that means our clients, तो
Hmm.
हमें उनको एक बॉक्स में फिट करना है, we want something out of the box, so that is the thing.
Thank you, ma'am. My last question is, how does the organization ensure alignment and consistency in all external communication and employer branding?
Okay, so all external communication follows company branding, guidelines, and approved messages. It is usually reviewed by the management, marketing, HR team, managers to ensure consistency and a strong brand image within the employees, within the company, of the company or of the employees also.
if employee their the company environment, they also want to the feedback their employees what they need in the company, and what are the changes in the company for environment and workspace, what they need.
I you have asked this question previously also, that how does the organization ensures the accuracy, right? Something like that. But if you are asking for employees' feedback,
Hmm.
it's a very major factor that plays role, and HR and managers and management, higher management or internal management need to make sure that employees are heard. Okay, because at the end of the day, by the end of the day, employees are the people who are working, right, who want to survive that 8 to 9 hours in the company. To be honest, it's
Hmm.
surviving, right? So by hearing employee feedback, it should be important, and I make sure to have the one-on-one conversation with them. If I am seeing any reflect if I am seeing any hesitation in the employee, I just have to make a meeting or ensure that they are being heard, their factors or their thinking or their ideas are being listened to the team, by the team or by me, so we can make a further changes for them. We can make an environment where they can work particularly nicely, so that if if there's any environment which is good, then they're going to give their 100% because of their environment, right?
Hmm. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your short, busy schedule, and all the questions we asking, and they answer the questions. Thank you so much for your busy time.
Thank you,
Welcome
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
guys. have
Thank
a
you.
have a nice day. Good ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Good
Have a
night.
nice day to you too,
Good night,
ma'am.
Thank you
ma'am.
guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.